Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video will summarize key components of the Napoleon NS18 main control board, as well as settings and connections when installing a hybrid heating system. The first component we will cover is the dip switch. From the factory, the 2 and 3 ton NS18 will ship with the dip switch set to a 3 ton cooling capacity. If the 4 and 5 ton unit is being installed, the dip switch will be factory set to a 5 ton capacity. To configure the dip switch to a 2 ton or 4 ton setting, the switch in the number 1 position will need to be moved up, as shown here. To configure the dip switch to a 3 or 5 ton capacity with extended defrost, the switch in the number 1 position will need to be down, and the switch in the number 2 position will need to be up, as shown here. The next area we will focus on is the memory chip and LED display. The memory chip contains all of the operation information which manages the heat pump system. If replacing the control board, a memory chip is not provided, so it must be removed and transferred to the new board. 2 and 3 ton memory chips are not compatible on 4 and 5 ton boards, and vice versa. When troubleshooting, the LED display will present fault codes to identify operation errors within the system. Use the codes displayed in conjunction with the product manual to identify and solve system errors. To engage a force defrost function for troubleshooting purposes, bring your attention to the SW buttons on the right-hand side of the control board. Press SW1 and hold it for 5 seconds, until the LED display starts flashing. Next, press SW1 until the LED display shows 06, and press SW2 or SW3 to confirm the setting. Once done, the display will show on. Once you see on, press SW1 to save the setting. Lastly, we will take a look at the system wiring. The L1, L2, and ground are located on the left-hand side below the control board. All electrical connections must be made in accordance with the installation manual, and all local codes. The thermostat connections must be made to the board on the right-hand side. Ensure the correct wires are connected to the outdoor unit, matching the labels to those connected to the thermostat. For more information, refer to the service manual found on the Napoleon.com product page, under Support Documents for Professionals. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.